What's up, YouTube? You already know, back with another how-to video. It's supposed to be Josh's video, but I'm doing the intro because he's camera shy.
Guys, we're doing how to kickflip in this video. So right now, I'll be showing you the starter steps, like foot positioning, what to do if your kickflips rocket, and everything. So the foot position is your back foot will be in pocket or on tail, wherever it feels comfortable. I like it right on the edge with the ball of my foot on the tail, and your front foot on a slight angle. So like a starter position for your kickflip would be further off the board, but sometimes I put it more on the board. I've just showed you the positioning. Now we'll move on to your ollies and how they help with the kickflip. So with your kickflips, it'll be easier if you have a high ollie, of course. But I mean, if they're this height, that's okay. But if they're this height, you should be perfect and they'll be great to go. If you want to learn how to ollie, we have a video on that. Link will be in the description. Check it out. I'd say it's a pretty good video because I made it. Anyway.
Because I made it.
Yeah. Okay, so I recently learned how to kickflip and it was a horrible experience. I sucked at it so bad.
It took you like 3 months, didn't it?
It took me 3 months. No, it took me like a month and a half.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll tell you things that ruin your kickflip. There are so many things. It's like, okay, so one thing is weight. So when you kickflip, if you jump backwards, your board's gonna fly out. And it's okay to have a rocket flip when you're practicing, but the more you do it, you're probably just gonna wanna level it out more because it's better to have a clean, even kickflip than a rocket. So on your board, you're gonna want your weight to be more on your front foot. So like, if you jump backwards when you kickflip, it's gonna fly away, and we don't want that. So you're gonna wanna put more weight on your front foot and lean over your board a bit. It might feel a bit weird if you're doing kickflips leaning back, but it gets easier and... Bro, I could have broken my teeth out. And my nipples! Bro, go!
Oh my god.
And my dickie! Oh god. And I stepped in bird shit.
I don't even know where he is. We're gonna go back to the video.
It's so embarrassing. So the kickflip, weight is very important, and I'll help you get through that because I'm the best, okay guys?
Josh is the best.
So when you do kickflips, jumping backwards when you do a kickflip makes it fly out. So I will demonstrate that. It flies away, and you can't land on the board if it flies away. So what you're gonna wanna do is put more of your weight on your front foot. It might feel really weird if you started kickflipping, jumping backwards, but that was so bad, but it won't make it fly out and it will make it easier to land on. So with a kickflip, you're gonna wanna land both feet on the board, of course, because that's how you land a trick, okay guys? So I'll help you commit either foot. So if you're landing only your front foot, which for me is my right foot because I'm goofy, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna do the whole kickflip, but land your back foot, and that'll help you get the back foot in motion. So I did that so many times and I landed it. It was really easy. Done. Do the whole video.
No, we're not redoing the whole video. Josh is very ashamed of his nipples, so we're swatching tops.
Because they're like really long.
You actually look sick as in that top, bro.
If it went on,
You look like an emo, to be honest.
fell in love with the Nemo girl. I look cute.
You look hot.
So what I just did is I did my back foot instead of my front, which will get you close to landing the trick. So if you're only landing your back foot, land your front foot only, and it should get you there quicker, and it's as easy as that. So with kick flipping, guys, I'll help you learn how to flick, and it's quite simple. So put your foot on a bit of an angle, foot on a right angle, like with the ollie, and you're gonna slide it off the nose and flick. Yeah, it might take a bit to get used to, but it's easy. So, no, it's not easy. I'm lying.
I'm lying.
So with your foot position, or learning how to flick, you're gonna put your foot like there on a bit of an angle, like with the ollie, on a right angle. And you're gonna flick off the nose and just practice that. And when you're learning how to flick, remember when you kick flip, you don't wanna lean back. And when you're practicing flicking, you're kinda leaning back, of course. So when you're actually doing the kick flip, you wanna lean more forward, and that will help you out because that is a real pain if you learn how to flick and you're leaning backwards. Thanks for watching, cuties. I hope you learn how to kickflip, and it is such a fun trick. So try it out, and yeah,
Slater Gator.